Hi, I'm Panterita, and this is my family farm. Come with me. Well, I live here with my family, and what we do is rescue animals abandoned, and we care of them with so much love. Venga, papá. Hola. Oh, these are our horses. This is the bad guy of the crew. He always bites me, right? His name is Inti. And this one is the oldest one. His name is Petaka. Don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Well, we are an animal sanctuary. Our name is La Pochi Vegana because Pochi, the first pig we take care of. Okay, our journey starts at 7 a.m. We start feeding the ducks and the birds. We take the horses and the sheep pasturing near, and we feed the pigs with vegetables and fruits. Well, his name is Vito. We rescued him from agriculture school when he was just a baby. She's Gala. She has her brother Cody. He's right there. You're not playing. He's Kinoto. We met an old lady in the bed, and she said his salchicha was having babies, and he was one of them. She wanted to Kinoto be part of our family, and we accept him. And he is here. But we take care of everything, and we have twice a month like a volunteers journey. They come here and help to keep the space clean, and we have fun. We spend the day with the pets around, and that's a funny day. We have the Sundays. Okay, now we are going into the animal pet. Come with me. Here is where the animals live. We have here goats, we have sheep, we have pigs, we have dogs, we have chickens. He's staying with us because his family was not able to take care of him, and he's now with us and with our family. Yay! He's having a good time. His name is Fede. He's just crazy. Yeah. These are the little ones of the family. His name is Mandy, Mandarina. She's just like 2 months old, and Olivia is 6 months old. This is where the animals stay the night, mostly in the winter, because in summer they sleep outside. Yay! Look! These are babies. Well, the dogs eat bottom food, but the farm animals eat alfalfa, grain and seed. We feed them twice a day, in the morning and on the afternoon. In the night, we don't feed them, so they go to sleep early because we start the day at 7 a.m. So we are an animal sanctuary. We rescue animals from bad situations and give them the best life possible. We give them all the love that we can give and take care of all his necessities. Well, now we are going to find the goats. Come with me. We have 3 goats, male. They are in the back. Well, we have here all the sheep and goats. Pet. Any pet? Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. He's Jorge. Hi, baby. Oh, he's my favorite. Yeah. I like to take this from the tree. We don't live like this always. We were city people. We lived in an apartment, and one day we make the decision of move here and make our dream real of having this animal sanctuary and make the life better for the animals who need it. You can help the animals too. We donate to the foundations, and you can rescue animals too, but with responsibility, because so much people adopt or rescue pigs thinking that they stay small, and they don't. That's how mostly of the pigs came here. Like families adopt them thinking they stay small, and then they grow, and they don't have an alternative more than bring them here. ¡Pochi! ¡Vení, Pochi! Ahí viene Jorge. Come on, George! Well, that's all. And thanks for coming, and you're always welcome to my family farm. Goodbye.